Lot number 110 is a 2006 E-450 Bluebird Handi bus. This one is being sold as a junk candidate. It's been sitting for a long time. It's been picked at. It's got parts missing. Every fuse and relay is missing. There's stuff loose under the hood. It's missing all the batteries. The tires look like they hold air, and they look pretty fair. I just don't know how long it's been stopped. But this one is rough. It's a junk candidate. It's good for parts. It's got the 6.0 liter diesel engine. Mechanical condition is unknown. Miles are unknown. The entrance door has broken glass, and it's the controls are dismantled inside, so it just opens and closes freely. The body looks straight. The paint looks faded and moldy. The wheelchair lift has been taken out, and now it's stuck there. It does nothing. So I think this has a manual crank that hopefully works so that the buyer can lift that before they tow it, because right now it's just stuck like that. It's the buyer's responsibility, by the way, to get that back in the bus and get that bus out of here. Body looks good. It's got tinted windows all around. It's very moldy. This bus has been sitting for a long time. Interior's missing parts. All those covers under the steering wheel, the engine cover, looks like the exhaust is loose. It's missing parts off the engine. It's missing parts in the interior. Interior is very moldy, very dirty. Let me go around the other side. That's as far as I'm going in. It's just really moldy and dusty in there. All right, that's it. It's a junk bus. It's an E-450 Super Duty, 2006. Lot number 110. Good luck.